And despite the Nehru-Liaquat Pact of 1951, when it was decided that both countries will protect their religious minorities, Pakistan was not willing to ensure the safety and protection of the religious minorities in Pakistan, whereas India provided special acts and special dispensation to ensure the protection, safety and security of all the minorities. A situation in which from Pakistan, millions of refugees had to leave that country and come to India because of religious persecution. And the minorities there included Hindus, Christians, Jains, Sikhs, Buddhists. I am surprised that any Goan has any fear whatsoever, because when Goa became a part of India, all the people who had Portuguese citizenship at that time, they were all given Indian citizenship. And I'd like to reassure every citizen of Goa who was a Portuguese citizen that he is safe, secure. I think the anger was misguided, as I said, instigated by political consideration by certain parties, particularly the Congress party. And now people have seen through their design. People have understood that that anger is completely baseless. And therefore, I don't think there is any reason to worry. I would also like to clarify that the same thing was asked by Mahatma Gandhi ji when he wrote to Nehru that the refugees, the Sharnarthis who are coming in from Pakistan or Bangladesh should be given citizenship in India. Manmohan Singh ji also in 2003 demanded that the minorities, the religiously persecuted Hindus and other communities should be given citizenship in India. The Rajasthan Chief Minister of the Congress, Mr. Gehlot, then Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, had also demanded. So I think it is unfortunate that some parties are now trying to whip up religious fervor where there should have been none. But please do not get carried away by any false propaganda. So nobody is being denied citizenship. In fact, more than 500 Muslims also have been given citizenship by the Narendra Modi government in the last 5 years.